Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the system so brightness changes take effect. First, make sure the device is plugged in or on battery as needed and set the power mode to balanced or better battery. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then System and choose Display. You want the built-in display selected. If an external monitor is active, its controls won't respond. This gets you immediately to the brightness slider and prevents confusion when you proceed to adjust settings. Now adjust the visible brightness. Move the brightness slider to the desired % for a quick change. If you need less blue light or a softer image, turn on night light and set its schedule. If the display still seems bright, lower the refresh rate in advanced display settings. Make sure adaptive brightness or content adaptive brightness control is enabled or disabled depending on preference, and check display adapter properties to update graphics drivers, because outdated drivers often limit dimming options. Finish by applying your changes and observing the screen under normal lighting. If settings don't persist, restart Windows to ensure they stick. If you still need lower brightness, use the laptop vendor's control app or the monitor's on-screen display for extra dimming. If the slider is missing or the display won't dim, update the GPU driver and toggle adaptive brightness off and on. That usually resolves conflicts. If problems continue, reboot into safe mode to isolate software interference before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.